Alright, so I'm going to try this again, guys, because the last time I did it, I was taking a picture of myself and not recording a video. So I've already read this book to you once, but you can't hear that. So we're going to try again. Silly Mr. Foley. So today we're going to read Ladybugs. And Ladybugs, Red, Fiery, and Bright. It's written by Mia Posada. And she also illustrated the book, which means she drew the picture. So at the end of this story, I'm going to have you guys answer a question for me. And it's going to be, what other animal is like a ladybug? So we're going to look in this book. We're going to learn about ladybugs. And there's another animal that we've learned about in class that's kind of like a ladybug. So be thinking about that. A crawling ladybug tickles your arm, but this little insect will cause you no harm. See down there on her arm. Ladybugs can't hurt you. Kind of stink though. They are busy searching for food to eat. Tiny green insects called aphids taste sweet. See the bugs on the plants? Those aphids are trying to eat all the plants, and the ladybugs are protecting them. So ladybugs are very good for us. A ladybug may flee in fear from a hungry bird landing near. But eating a ladybug is a waste. To birds, they have a terrible taste. Don't want to eat them. When a female ladybug has eggs to be laid, she finds a safe place on a leaf in the shade. In 5 days, the yellow eggs will turn white. The hatching day is now within sight. There's the teeny little eggs on the leaf. Wonder what's going to come out. Tiny creatures climb out from the creamy white eggs. They have hairy gray bodies and long skinny eggs. They are called larvae. Hungry larvae search for food right away. They can eat 100 aphids a day. Oh boy, that's a lot of little bugs. So, our ladybugs start off as something that does not look like a ladybug at all. A larva's skin cannot stretch, and since this is so, it must shed its old skin in order to grow. Its skin splits apart, the larva wiggles free. Its new larger skin fits more comfortably. That sounds familiar too. Excuse me. When a ladybug larva is almost full grown, it attaches itself to a plant or a stone. It molts one last time, the skin it outgrew. What emerges, it has become something new. It is a pupa. The pupa is covered by a tough orange skin. It hides the changes taking place within. Its worm-like body is rounding out. Its coat becomes smooth. Tiny wings sprout. So that's turned into another new thing. So it was a larva, now it's a pupa that just sort of hangs out. Oh. In 5 days, the pupa's shell starts to crack. A beetle crawls out with no spots on its back. See this yellow-looking beetle. Its spotted wing covers move off to the sides. I skipped a page. Sorry, guys. Let's back up. Soon black spots come into sight. The yellow coat turns to red, fiery, and bright. The new ladybug spreads its wings out to dry. A few hours pass, then it's able to fly. There it is. So finally, it turned into a ladybug. Its spotted wing covers move off to the sides. It beats its wings, and away it glides. That's the end. So think about it. We learned about them a little bit in our video yesterday, the animal that I'm thinking of. So it starts off as one thing, goes into a home, eats and eats and eats and eats, goes into a little home and comes out as the last part. So think about that. All right. When you get a chance, go ahead and send me a message of what you think the ladybugs are like, another insect that we know of. All right. Bye, guys.